ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಭಾ ಮಠಪತಿ, ಶುಭ್ರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಧಾಮ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೈ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗೋ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ reduces the risk of heart diseases, and regular physical activity reduces the risk of hypertension andre BP, and it reduces the risk of diabetes, and regular physical activity reduces the risk of obesity, and it reduces the risk of psychological factors like anxiety, depression, and this reduces the risk of hormonal imbalance, and this reduces the risk of your cancer in terms which this physical activity improves your immune system. So the physical activity must be done in a day minimum 45 minutes to 1 hour anta heltivi. And what are the good benefits, what will happen anta bandaga, it helps in building your stronger bones, helps in building your strong muscles, it increases your flexibility and the posture, and it increases your strengthening of your joints, and this improves your quality of sleep, and this improves your self-esteem and the physical well-being anta heltivi, feelings of physical well-being, and this improves your BMR, basal metabolic rate, in Ayurveda balancing of our vata pitta kapha metabolism anta heltivi, and this improves your, this reduces the risk of psychological disorders, like it maintains your the symptoms, it reduces the symptoms of your anxiety, depression, unnecessary emotional feelings, it always control, these are all controlled by the physical activity, in the sense the meditation and more other things also. In a day 45 minutes to 1 hour physical activity must be done. Along with this physical activity, diet and the hydration of your body is very important. Now here comes what type of physical activity. Any type of physical activity like yoga ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಜಿಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಜನರಲ್ ವಾರ್ಮಪ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಡೂ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ along with your body hydration, with that your nutrition and the diet is very important.